I'd like to welcome you to this inside look at Simon's Agency and the collection services we offer. My name is John Vigiano, and I'll be your host today. I currently work for Simon's, helping hospitals and medical practices improve the back end of the revenue cycle. Simon's Agency brings over 50 years of experience specializing in the recovery of delinquent medical debt. And over those 50 years, we have helped countless clients turn their red to black. Operationally, our success depends upon our use of the highest levels of technology and the vast experience of our management team. Our brand new state-of-the-art call center uses the latest in cloud technology, while our customized proprietary database system allows us to perform our work efficiently and accurately. Our management team possesses over 200 years of combined industry experience, and our president has worked in the industry for over 25 years, having started his career as a collector in the 1990s. Simon's offers exceptional client services. We are accessible and responsive to the client's needs at all times. We provide complete transparency with online reporting that is available 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. And we offer a seamless integration of client data by catering to all formats. By leveraging this technology and our exceptional experience, Simon's Agency has a proven 50-year track record of client satisfaction by recovering our clients' outstanding receivables and providing clear, on-demand transparency and reporting. And when it comes to your patients, we understand the importance of good bedside manners, and our multilingual staff executes with firm yet compassionate language and tact, giving your patients the respect and dignity they deserve. As a leader in debt recovery solutions for over 5 decades, Simon's offers an unparalleled understanding of the tools and techniques required to deliver superior results to clients and consumers alike. Simon's offers a full array of debt collection services, from early out self-pay models to traditional collections, credit reporting, and litigation. With the tools, management, and training that Simon's Agency has in place, we are built to scale and have the flexibility to amplify operations to meet the changing demands of the industry and clients we serve. Simon simply delivers the best results in the industry because of its people, technology, and ability to adapt to changes in both the industry and with consumers alike. In addition to the advantages inherent in this, Simon's utilizes a unique set of tools and techniques to further enhance our results. Continually expanding upon the capabilities of a proprietary database system that has been the cornerstone of our operation for over 15 years. Linking new placements to the existing accounts that Simon's already has on file, allowing us to immediately identify the payers and start the communications process. Using a proprietary analytical process to rank and score each and every account to identify the ability and likelihood to pay. Using a targeted approach to accounts to ensure the highest rates of recovery and remittance. Utilizing advanced skip tracing tools and techniques to find patients and identify new sources of communication. Working with various dialing systems that allow our agents to spend more time negotiating and less time trying to connect with debtors. Featuring a dedicated incoming call team that puts a human on the phone for every incoming call, and also allows our most experienced collectors to concentrate on negotiating with debtors. Offering complete transparency for our clients using a secure browser-based reporting system. Offering a dedicated client services department that will work directly with clients and be ready to assist them and address any concerns they may have along the way. Performing continuous monitoring of staff and providing ongoing training to encourage the development of each agent and maximize their effectiveness. Simon's offers a modern approach to debt collection that we like to call the Simon's Method. This relies on our company objectives aligning perfectly with our technological prowess and the skill sets our employees possess. As such, Simon's is the definition of a modernized collection agency that utilizes technology, database architecture, analytics, and a soft sell approach that emphasizes human-to-human interaction without the fist-pounding demonstrative ethos of 20th century debt collectors. The industry has evolved and continues to do so, while Simon's agency has remained a standard bearer for the ability of the collections industry to excel for its clients in this modern era of business efficiency and regulation. Simon's is an agency that takes a balanced approach to debt collection, embracing modern technology, seizing upon the experience of its management team, the strength of its proprietary database system, and analytical processes it creates to enable its collections and client services departments to work to their full potential. Simon's provides consumers with helpful phone support that enables their team to progress to skilled negotiations as needed. Simon's provides its clients with support that is catered specifically for them and consistently responsive to their needs without being overly reactive to short-term hurdles that may present themselves. Our organization as a whole is backed by a technology department that is capable of adapting quickly to an ever-changing landscape of technological innovation and regulatory shifts. Simon's agency has created an environment in which it not only provides the most modern approach to collections today, but will continue to do so tomorrow and beyond. Currently, Simon's utilizes a variety of technologies to accomplish collection tasks. These tools almost exclusively use cloud-based IT systems that allow Simon's to access their letter service, dialing systems, traditional phone services, credit and skip tracing tools, and more using these internet-based services, which greatly helps to maintain continuity throughout the recovery process, as well as in the event of a disaster or unforeseen circumstance. We will now take a look at the Simon's process and a general timeline of events and tasks that are put into motion upon placement of your accounts. Key tasks are generally accomplished according to the following schedule, but Simon's can customize this routine based on the individual client's needs. Placement tasks will be completed within 24 to 48 hours of receipt of accounts placed. A confirmation report will be sent once accounts are processed. Letters will be generated and mailed within 48 hours once placements are completed. Processes are in place to correct incorrect addresses, giving Simon's a higher success rate. Return mail will go through a tracing process to find updated information and are then resent. All accounts receive at least one letter and, depending on service requirements, may receive more. Simon's dialing system will begin picking up accounts 30 days after placement and will be called daily, Monday through Friday, in adherence with all local, state, and federal laws and regulations. Agents connecting with patients will begin negotiations, and the incoming call team will answer inbound calls and take payments over the phone. Simon's Level 2 collections team works on direct follow-up calls and negotiating with payers, as well as providing customer service and explaining the services patients received, payment options available, and general questions they may have. Reporting to credit bureaus will occur 90 days after accounts are placed if no arrangements or payments have been negotiated. This schedule can be adjusted per the client's requirements, though this time frame gives the collections team leverage in collecting the debt before the 90 days mark expires. During this time, the research team will look for additional points of contact for those accounts which have outdated or incomplete information. They will also begin looking for employment information and assets for individuals who refuse to pay their balance or work with Simon's to achieve an appropriate arrangement. This affords Simon's clients the ability to move forward confidently with legal proceedings if they so desire. For all monies collected, remittance will be conducted monthly for the previous month's activity. For larger volume clients, this schedule can be adjusted. Reporting is available to our clients at all times via Simon's Client Access Web online portal, 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. Simon's also offers many online resources for its clients, from our Turning Red to Black blog, to our Client Resources webpage, to our monthly Client Access Web training webinar. And of course, our Client Services department will be ready to assist you at any time. Simon's is HIPAA compliant and complies with all federal, state, and local regulations and laws with regard to industry specifications, including the FCRA, FDCPA, and TCPA, Employee Discrimination and Americans with Disabilities Act protocol. As a member of the Association of Credit and Collections Professionals, we are informed of any changes in the collections industry and maintain strict compliance with the continually changing landscape of the collections industry. Simons participates with several high-profile groups and associations, including organizational memberships with the aforementioned ACA International and the New York State Collectors Association. Simons participates as an affiliate member of the Medical Group Management Association, and we are also affiliate members and have individual memberships with the Healthcare Financial Management Association. On top of this, Simons is on the short list, having successfully completed the peer review process through HFMA, giving Simons clients an extra level of scrutiny and commendation of our collection services. Finally, Simons is also engaged with local community organizations, business groups, and charities. Simons provides support to local organizations and community groups, from Little Leagues, Scholastic Sports Groups, and golf benefits to our local Samaritan Center and Meals on Wheels organizations. Simons employees belong to the Rotary and Lions Clubs, along with various chambers of commerce, as well as trade, business, and community groups. Some of this work is outlined on our Simons Cares blog. In closing, I'd like to thank you for taking an in-depth interest in the services that Simons Agency offers. We relish the opportunity to work with you, and we'd be pleased to address any questions you may have. To offer a final word, I'd like to introduce our owner and president, Phil Bowler.
Since 2001, I've had the honor and the privilege of building the Simons Agency into the accounts receivable management company that we are very proud of every single day. Our team is an exceptional group of talented and dedicated men and women who work passionately to achieve the goals of our clients while treating their patients with the respect and dignity they deserve. Please feel free to reach out to us to discuss your revenue cycle needs and see how we can help you improve them by turning your red to black.